Hello friends, this is Meghana Moye, Reiki Grandmaster and Tarot Card Reader. This time I have come up with the topic Gratefulness, Thankfulness. It is said, sometimes try calculating your gratitude index in life and you will realize that how lucky you are. I was very much amazed with the idea of gratitude index. As in stock market, how according to stock index or trading index, the value of market is determined. Similarly, it would be awesome if we can calculate our gratitude through power of love. But the question is, how can we calculate our gratitude index and can bring in our routine life? Then I came into conclusion that if you want to live a life you have never lived, you have to do things you have never done. This can be achieved by number 1. Thank you for everything in the body list. That means you should be thankful that you are fit and healthy physically and mentally, and be grateful to God by the blessings He has given you as a gift of health, as it is keeping you alive. Number 2. Gratefulness towards relationship. People with gratitude have better relationship with their parents, in families, with friends, in office, etc. One bad thought about someone may destroy your relationship with them. So, try to bury the hatches, if any, and rather be thankful towards your bond. Remember, a simple thank you has got a magic. It warms the heart and creates a moment of connection, peace, and love. There is no greater power in the universe than the power of love. The feeling of love is the highest frequency you can emit. If you could wrap every thought in love, if you could love everything and everyone, your life would be transformed. This means that gratitude can transform common days into special ones, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. When we give cheerfully and accept gratefully, we are blessed, and automatically our gratitude index is increased and blessed by the cosmic power. Thank you. Jai Babaji. Jai Babaji.